Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and I'd like to explain to you the node selection mode in the Tunnel tab. First up is regular.
Regular node selection mode is very simple. You will have active one IP address per country or tunnel. You can have up to 8 IP addresses connected, but only one will be used at one time. You can switch between those IP addresses, and you can click the refresh button, which will give you an entirely new set of IP addresses that you can access. Once you click refresh, it will take 3 to 5 seconds to lose all the tunnels and then regain more tunnels. Once this is finished, you will have an entirely new selection of IP addresses that you can access.
Next up is domain aware.
The node selection mode, domain aware, is best for streaming services. It will remember the IP address that you have accessed for services like Hulu or Netflix and maintain that IP address the entire time you're using that service. You can still refresh the tunnels and get up to 8 new IP addresses per location, but when you use a site or service, one IP address will be assigned to it and keep it stable.
The third option is random.
Random is exactly what it sounds like. You will be assigned an IP address from any location for any new site or service. It can help increase security, but decrease stability.
And the last one is round robin.
Round robin is best for speeds. Every new connection will be selected from a set of different nodes. This will help you increase your network acceleration.
For the most part, I recommend users use domain aware as it's the most stable when it comes to streaming services. But if you're looking for speeds, go for round robin.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.